Hi, I am David from scholarshipin.com. Today, I will talk about Pell Grants. Whenever we talk about financial aid or scholarship in USA, the Pell Grant is the first name to address. So what Pell Grant actually is? The Pell Grant is a financial aid program for students who need financial support to get their first bachelor's degree. It is funded by federal government of United States and administered by U.S. Department of Education. It started in 1965 when Congress passed an act named Higher Education Act, abbreviated as HEA. In 1972, Senator Claiborne Pell stepped forward with the movement to reform HEA to make sure that students who really need financial aid will be beneficial from this program. Because of his contribution, the reform HEA got recognition as Pell Grants. We have just learned what Pell Grants is. Let's see how much money the Pell Grant pays. The amount of Pell Grants depend on the need of the students and available fund. In 2018-19 academic year, the highest amount paid was $6,095, and the average amount was $4,160. In the previous year, the average was $3,400 and the maximum amount was $5,200. This is how the amount paid per year varies. However, on an average, the maximum amount paid as Pell Grant for 1 year is around $6,000, and the average amount paid for 1 year is $4,000. Now the question is how to apply for Pell Grants. We have prepared a step-by-step application procedure for you in scholarshipin.com. Visit scholarshipin.com or click on the link at the description to apply for Pell Grants. Without a proper guidance, it is difficult to apply for a scholarship properly. And we, the scholarshipin.com, are here, with our world-class service, totally free of cost, to help you to get a scholarship. So, go to scholarshipin.com. Follow our step-by-step instruction. And apply for Pell Grants instantly. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share this video.